So I made a marble run with this little marble and this big marble run. So let's actually see if it goes into the cup. It went to the cup, so that was a success. Bye!
My name is Kelita and I have the honor of serving as Chief Advancement Officer for Academy of the Sacred Heart. In March of 1933, President Franklin Delano Roosevelt gave his first Fireside Chat. For our Sacred Heart community this evening, I wanted to share his words on religion from a Fireside Chat he gave in 1934. And it is well for us to remember that this America of ours is the product of no single creed, or race, or class. We who have faith cannot afford to fall out among ourselves. The very state of the world is a summons to us to stand together. Religion in wide areas in different parts of the earth is being confronted with irreligion. Our faiths are being challenged. It is because of that threat that you and I must reach across the lines between our creeds, must cross paths, and make common cause. No greater thing could come to our land today than a revival of the spirit of religion, a revival that would sweep through the homes of the nation and stir the hopes and the hearts of men and women of all faiths to a reassertion of their belief in God and their dedication to His will for themselves and for the world. I doubt if there is any problem, social, political, or economic, that would not melt away before the fire of such a spiritual undertaking. Thank you. Good night, Sacred Heart.